Well, so far Manmohan Singh's image has been of a man missing in action, and his newfound confidence might be a result of unconditional backing by his party. Well, on a day when UPA got rid of TMC bogey, Union Law Minister Salman Khurshid told Headlines today that the government is well prepared to face the consequences.
I believe that what we are doing today is a major moral step to prevent our country from coming to a grinding halt and to ensure that the coming generations get the benefit of growth in this generation. They have their point of view, they have their constituency, they have their priorities, and obviously they've done some analysis that their decision is a correct one. It differs from our decision, so let us agree to disagree. But let's remain civil and let's remain cordial. We wouldn't be striking off on our own in such a confident manner if there wasn't some degree of comfort as far as relations with several groups are concerned, and indeed not just groups but individuals as well. So let's wait for the time when the test comes. We will prove our mettle. I'm quite sure that there will not be any problem as far as this is concerned. Well, I think the midterm is already over. You can talk about early elections or timely elections, but the midterm is already over. I think people who are seeking a midterm poll now can give up that aspiration and hope. We are determined to go through to 2014. I see no reason today to believe that we will not go through to the finishing line of 2014. But let's see. Let's take one step at a time. I think we've done what was the best that could have been done at this particular moment, and not an easy one at all. And now we will take future steps along the line that we've already indicated. I hope that as we go along, we'll get more and more people supporting us and a larger number of public opinion polls supporting what we are doing. But for the present, the decision is there in front of you, and our determination to ensure that the decision takes us to a logical conclusion. I think many different dimensions were examined, considered, analyzed. Best case scenario, worst case scenario. I think everything was examined. Government doesn't act in haste. Government doesn't act only by instincts alone. We go by a very, very rigorous analysis and then come to a conclusion, keeping everything in mind that this is something which must be done. And I think that's really what we've done. We will not leave any stone unturned, and we would cooperate and we would facilitate accounting to the absolute extreme. But there is a job to be done to feed the people of this country, educate them, give them dignity, give them self-assurance, give them a sense of participating in the growth story of the world and of India, and that is why we've taken these decisions.